May I have your ticket, please?
Here you go. I am so excited.
Next. I've been waiting so long for this. Thank you. I am so nervous but so pumped for this. 10 minutes till showtime. This is so unfair. This should be my show.
Hi, are you excited for the show too?
Yes, so excited. Actually very excited.
Yeah, me too. I'm her biggest fan.
I've been waiting to see her for months now.
Can't wait to watch it with you.
Showtime, Olivia. I'm so ready. Let's go. Places, everyone. Got my driver's license last week. Just like we know and talked about. Cause you were so excited for me. To finally drive up to your house.
Oh my gosh, this is so great.
Yes, it is. It's so good. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. What can I do? What can I do? I know what I can do. What are you doing in here? Oh, I was just looking for the bathroom. Oh, it's right there. Okay, thank you. Yep. Where is the speaker? Right here. Now I can play with their music. Good for you. You look happy and healthy. Not me.
Oh no!
What was that? What just happened? Sabrina, you ruined my show! Break it up, break it up. I hate you! You're just jealous!
Oh my god, guys! Here on our tea time is Sabrina Carpenter and Olivia Rodrigo are now fighting. We used electricity to decompose water into two gases and learned that the gases were different because they reacted differently when moved exposed to the glowing splint of fire. By knowing that water is composed of H2O, hydrogen, and oxygen, we know that these elements are the ones that are reacting. Hydrogen gas has twice as much volume as oxygen, which is the explanation of the 2 in H2O. This is why there was a popping noise for hydrogen. Hydrogen and oxygen are elements. Elements is any material that cannot be broken down into simpler materials by chemical means. These elements are represented by symbols that tell you the element. When these elements combine, they form new substances called compounds that have entirely new characteristics. When we use the electricity to decompose water into its elements, it went through a process called electrolysis. We observed that the oxygen gas had made the glowing splint reignite, but with the hydrogen it made a popping sound that we used in our short movie. These compounds that we previously had mentioned before are represented by chemical formulas, showing the symbols of the elements that are combined to make the compound. Many of the elements in nature. These are the 7 common elements that exist in diatomic form. Diatomic molecules are molecules that consist of 2 atoms. An example is hydrogen, like H2. Another example could be that the hydrogen may be found as a single atom and compound, like HCl, which is hydrogen and chlorine. And oxygen may be found as a single atom in H2O. When hydrogen is not combined with any other element, always appears as H2, 2 hydrogen atoms combined together.
Ready, set, go.
That's a good one.
That was a good one. We used a beaker to add our dry ice into. Then we added water to the dry ice. It made a fog type of gas. This is sublimation. Sublimation is the physical change of one thing going from a solid to a gas. Physical change is when you can see the matter change states. A chemical change, on the other hand, is the entirely changed substance with a different chemical formula. The particles are always moving slowly and together at the start. But once the state of matter changes to a gas, then they start to bounce off the walls. The temperature change in this also helps the matter change. It becomes very cold once the water hits the dry ice, and it causes it to make a solid go to a gas. Normally gas rises, but dry ice gas falls. Why is this? It's because of density. Because the density is so high, this causes the water to fall to the ground. I don't know how much water to pour.
Sometimes we'll live in showtime.